Introducing the Touch and Talk Intermediate Language Program. 3 carefully connected resources designed to help children build the language skills needed to thrive in preschool and beyond. The rich, multisensory materials and structured yet playful activities make language learning irresistible and inevitable. This bundle includes the Touch and Talk Language Kit, the Touch and Talk Expansion Resource Folder, and the Feel and Find Talking Tiles. Now, the Touch and Talk Language Kit is filled with carefully selected objects that invite children to touch and explore, creating the perfect opportunity to teach basic concept words. Just give them the words that match their immediate sensory experience and you are on your way. From there, children practice understanding and producing sentences that include these basic concept words and some early grammar, because grammar adds meaning too. With 50 miniature objects and 100 picture cards across 3 levels of increasing difficulty, children can learn and grow at their own pace. Now, the Touch and Talk Expansion Resource Folder is packed with practical, ready-to-use tools and activities that go deeper into vocabulary development by exploring word relationships. That's important for comprehension, retention, and retrieval of new vocabulary. And the Feel and Find Talking Tiles provide visual and tactile information that adds more sensory to the sensory and thereby more meaning to the basic concept words targeted in the kit. They can be used to increase comprehension, expression, and flexible thinking. Together, these 3 tools form a cohesive, purposeful language program that targets the vocabulary and grammar skills needed in preschool settings. Children learn more and grow more with the Touch and Talk Intermediate Language Program.